After that, the third sunnah, third recommended action, أن يزيد المنفرد وإمام محسورنا رضوا بالتطويل. It is recommended by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to do individual and the imam of a group of followers who agreed with verbal consent. The verbal consent is verbal, not only just a consent, it must be verbal consent to prolong the namaz in a masjid which is not situated on roadside or any other public place. To recite the following dhikr: أهل الثناء والمجد أحق ما قال العبد وكلنا لك العبد. O Allah, who deserving the all praise and glorifications, لا مانع لما أعطيت, there is no one to deny what you have granted. ولا معطي لما منعت ولا ينفع ذا الجد منك الجد.